What's up, YouTube? This is Bama Girl Amy. I'm coming at you guys today because I wanted to share something with you guys that my mother made for Erica Lynn. As you guys can tell, she's all bundled up and ready for bed. She's got her little elephant for Roll Tide because we're a Roll Tide family. She is still sporting the blanket that Dulce sent us of the Texas Longhorns. And I wanted to show you guys this. My mother, as you guys know from previous videos, because she made Houston a lot of baby blankets, she made me a very, very pretty baby blanket. Wanted to show this to you guys. It is super cute. She made it just for her, the right size and everything for her. It fills up her little bassinet. Just wanted to share that with you guys, let you see how pretty it is and how sweet it was for her to actually do me a baby blanket. I thought it was super sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love each and every one of you guys. This is Bama Girl Amy, and I'm out.